I was so nervous that I couldn't even pronounce Glossier correct. Hi, I'm Ariel, and this week I lived as an IPSY creator. I've never been a girl who was totally into makeup, and I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to social media, but I've always been inspired by beauty influencers and have loved what they do. So I spent some time with 3 really successful creators to learn all about it, and then I gave it my best shot. On day 1, I went to IPSY to meet with Gabriel, who is an IPSY beauty creator, and I got to learn about what a creator is and what they do.
So a beauty influencer, in my own terms, is someone who puts himself on the internet and really has knowledge on makeup and beauty. Whether it be skincare, just makeup products, or even like hair. Like I feel like hair is also beauty. And just being well-rounded in what products are new, what new techniques there are out there, being able to teach people, being able to give recommendations for products, being aware of your social presence, know what you want to do, and just study the social media world because there's so many people now. So what's gonna help set you apart? But also make sure that you are having fun. You're being yourself. Like, I think that's like the most important thing. If you're not yourself, you're setting yourself for failure because eventually you're gonna crack. So what are some of your aesthetic goals? Like, where do you want your look to go to?
I definitely really love the French aesthetic.
Okay, that could be really fun, especially in LA where it's very heavy glamour. To have that Parisian side where it's very fresh and very fun.
Very really natural and chic.
Look up hairstyles.
Okay.
French beauty bloggers. You know, kind of get their take and see what they feel is a French Parisian type of aesthetic and see what excites you from it and what you can incorporate that's new into Ariel living in LA.
I've always loved the chic without trying French girl vibe and how it lets your natural beauty shine through. So we landed on that. Next, he gave me some advice and some homework to create a mood board and bring the brand to life. I've always wanted to style myself like a chic without trying French girl, but didn't know where to start. So I was super excited to have some guidance and start expressing myself through my clothes, hair, and makeup. I started by shopping and got IPSY creator Bailey's thumbs up on the looks. Okay, this is my first outfit.
I love it. I think it's definitely on brand with what the look that you were trying to achieve. I think it's so cute and just a little pop of color with the shoes. I think with your makeup, if you just did a really natural, luminous foundation and then a really bright red lipstick, just a pop of color would really complete the look. But other than that, I love it. How do you feel?
I feel good.
You look good.
I like it. I feel like this is something that I would wear, but better. Then Bailey talked me through some makeup ideas. Finally, I needed a French girl just rolled out of bed hairdo, so I hit up Weal salon for a cut and color. As I'm walking into Weal, I'm feeling a little bit nervous because anytime I change my hair, it kind of gives me anxiety. But meeting Sarah and AJ is really putting me at ease because they know exactly what I'm going for.
So for your color, what I would love to do is to richen up and kind of deepen your base a little bit and kind of use the highlights that you have now, but just kind of create a little bit more of a seamless blend. Something really effortless and really cool to go with the vibe that you're going with.
And for your haircut, we wanted to complement the color. What we're going to do is give you some more soft, fresh layers and also bangs. So we're gonna do soft French girl bangs, they'll sweep to the side. And we're gonna play around with your part a little bit, maybe do more of a center part so that it'll be something you can move around. So you don't have to wear it exactly in the center every day, but you can move it to left or right and it'll still look really cute. I'll be blow drying your hair first actually, because we'll be doing a dry cut on your hair today. It's one of our specialties here.
I really love this haircut and the color. I still feel like it's totally me, and it really just brought the whole look together. Once my look was complete, I checked it off the list, and then it was time to move on to social media. IPSY creator Madison is known for being a social media guru, so I went to her place to pick her brain a bit.
So this is my beauty room slash filming room. As you can tell, all the makeup, all the brushes, everything is in here.
How often, like, do you post? Like, how much is too much? How much is too little? Like, what's the balance?
So I think it really comes down to kind of checking to see how your following is going. But once you're starting and just trying to build that Instagram following, I think at least once a day is probably the best. They want to see difference of like variety of content. So you could do like one selfie, and then you could do one full body photo, and then do one flat lay. My biggest advice for trying to reach out to or trying to get brands like to create that relationship with is start showing them on your platforms. Tag them as much as you can, hashtag it as much as you can. Look at their like whole theme that they have going on and do like a make a picture using their products and tag them, and they'll most likely repost you. The next thing is about Ipsy Creator is that we do monthly glam bag videos for the Ipsy Glam Bag. And are you ready to film your own?
All right.
All right, I'm gonna turn on the camera and we're gonna film your own glam bag.
Okay. Hi, I'm Ariel, and I am an Ipsy beauty creator, and I have this month's glam bag for you. Let's see what's inside. How do you do that, like where it's...
So this one, since it's a little, it's gonna get
because,
washed out.
So the first product I got in my bag was the glossierbalm.com. I don't know. Like, so you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. The Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Can you see that? It looks to me like a mermaid, like mermaid tail, and since my name is Ariel, I just feel like it goes with me very well. So that was everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of March. If you want to check me out some more, you can go to my Instagram at Ariel Lazarus. Bye. This is gonna be a lot of bloopers here for sure. Shooting my first glam bag video was so nerve-wracking. I had lipstick on my teeth the whole time. I was so nervous that I couldn't even pronounce Glossier correct. It was really overwhelming. Madison also invited me to join her at a Facebook Live for Ipsy the next day, which I think was a lot easier for me having her there next to me and having the Ipsy crew to actually handle all the taping and me not having to self-tape. Thanks to Gabriel, Madison, and Bailey, I was finally ready to start creating some content. With the help of some friends, I started to grab some shots and hit up some local food spots that felt like they were on brand. And I even got to attend an IGK influencer event. The IGK event is full of influencers from all over the place, and I got to meet a lot of really cool people, one of which was Frank from IGK. I decided to do a flat lay with my new IGK dry shampoos and post that to Instagram.
Overall, I think Ariel did really good. She had the aesthetic, she had the feel. She was even going and like eating and putting herself in those situations that are more Parisian.
Some of the things she can work on are definitely like being more confident within herself when she films her videos. Overall, the look that she was trying to achieve, I think she nailed it. Like her hair, her clothes, she kept her makeup light and fresh. I think she just nailed the look.
I would give her an A because she put herself out there, which is already hard to do, and she did such an amazing job while doing it.
I don't think I'll have 100,000 followers overnight, but it felt really great to put myself out there like this, and maybe I even encourage someone else to find their brand or try out a look they always wanted to try. I think my biggest takeaway is that being an Ipsy creator or any kind of beauty influencer is more than just playing with makeup. Getting to express yourself through fashion and beauty is really fun and liberating and really exciting. I hope everybody out there watching takes a chance and creates a brand or look of their own.